This is the burst fade tutorial y'all been waiting for. First things first, setting that bald guideline. I'm gonna start off at the temple, work behind the ear, and as I come back around, I'm gonna push that guideline up to the desired spot. Then with the shaver, we're gonna bald everything out. And then I'm gonna create this guideline to separate the top from the side so we can start the blend. And in this motion, we're gonna come in with the number 3 guard, starting the blend. I will be blending down in this tutorial, so as you did see, it's lever open, then lever close with the number 3 guard still. Then coming in with the number 2 guard, we're gonna go right under that previous guard. 2 guard is open, and then right behind the ear, since it's a tight spot, we're gonna use the corner of the blade. Then coming in with the 2 guard closed, same thing. Then the 1.5 open and closed. Man, if I had a little extra time, this tutorial would have came out crazy, but man, I'm on crunch time right now. It's going fast. Then we got the 1 open, and then we're gonna go with the 1 closed. After the 1 closed, we got the half guard here. We're just detailing any dark spots. And then finally with the lever open and then closed, we're just gonna be doing a little bit of touch-up work, getting that line out finally. And then we do a little bit clipper over comb, and then shear over comb, and then the line up. Boom, baby. That's a burst fade.